Level two we look at is learning, the evaluation of learning, the knowledge and skills participants obtain from the training. Besides finding out how participants view the training program, you need to know what attitudes, knowledge, and skills they acquired. Testing whether learning and change have occurred should involve, you can do pre and post test training measures. Be sure to go beyond testing factual recall though. See if participants can state the information in their own words, give examples of it, and apply it in a variety of situations. Without this information, really impossible to determine whether or not the training's met its stated objectives. So don't overlook the value of asking participants directly about what they've learned and how they will be applied. The simplest approach is to use a questionnaire or interview and ask participants what tools, skills, or ideas do you now have that you did not have at the beginning of the program? Or what have you learned that you can put into immediate use? Another question, for example, would be what have you already practiced outside of this course, this class? What intentions or plans do you have as a result of this program or this course? What do you want to learn next? So those things can be real helpful, and if possible, put these questions to participants not only at the end of the training program, but also to follow up a point even a few months later and just kind of elicit where they're at. Ask them to report what they have done to implement the training they received, so kind of that back on the job training program, if they've been able to implement that back on the job. A great idea is to summarize these reports and mail the results back to the participants so they can see that their feedback meant something to you and you're going to use that feedback, so it makes that important. It shows that you value their input.